Thank you.
Because we're supposed to strengthen us from the sector, and as you can see, we have already prepared this our defense tool. I mean, this is covered, it is covered about 300. Where is that region?
በአግባቡ እናሰልጥናለን፣ በአግባቡ እንጠቀማለን። የአካባቢው መስተዳድር ራሳችንን አቋቁመን በጣም ጠቃሚ። ስለዚህ ይህንን ስራ አልሸባብ የሶማሊያ ጠላት ብቻ አይደለም። The operation you conduct captured Baardheer is Shani victory. The NDF and AMISOM forces attracted more attention. The Somalian people, all partners, know what great job you have done to make this happen in this mission. Therefore, I want to thank you very much.
There is no point in operational deployment, so we couldn't gather.
The purpose of our mission in Somalia, that is to defeat and eradicate Al-Shabaab from Somalia, to restore peace and stability in this country, also in this continent, in this region. Because this enemy is the enemy of Somalia people, and also the enemy of our east of Africa. If we don't eliminate this enemy and restore peace and stability, the consequence is clear. The destiny of Somalian people is clear. There will be no peace, no stability, no development, and the situation will be worse and worse.
dhibka al-shabaab in lala dagaalamaa idinkoo ka go'an tahay niyadiina ayaa u timaaday al-shabaab
aadan cayro qahir aways ajaabi nab
aadan cayro wuxuu ka gargaaray Soomaali badan ayaa kala soo degtay oo al-shabaab soo maray